Well, we're bringing in the, oh no, oh no, oh no.
Yep, that ain't
We probably should have drained the gas first, huh? Do you have something to put the gas in?
You got a pair of pliers that lock?
Oh no. Stay tuned. Well, that's a mess in there. Baker got it off, but oh my goodness.
That's the feed line.
Feed line, there we go.
Yeah, so that little guy's a filter. I
And
thought
the
that
other
was
one's a
a
filter. Look at this. Oh my goodness. This is, I'm glad he's messing with it.
Oh, you take that all off?
Mm-hmm.
We might try and restore that. Joe's in the house.
Ironically enough, this is a fuel pump and a carburetor.
Fuel pump. Well, this is a fuel pump. Ironically.
But it's right. Taken up with a chainsaw. The carburetor might work on it.
Might be too big.
Oh my goodness gracious.
There's no body here anymore.
That's fixable.
We got the fuel. So what is this? This is the fuel
Filter and pump.
filter and the pump. We got it off.
It's a pre-filter at that, because that's between the tank and the pump. I don't know if you got another one under the hood or not.
I have no idea. You gotta run the lines, but yeah.
I thought the bulk of that was that thing on the top of the tank. But I'm used to working.
Oh, there we go. It's out. What do we got here?
Simple access to the sending unit.
There we go. Sending unit right there. Power. What's that?
Just power and ground.
That's it.
Yep.
Nice.
That way, you know, if your fuel gauge don't work, that'll be the next thing to change.
Yeah. Nice. Actually, it looks better out of the car.
It's been lots of fun.
There we are. Off. Good. Tap, 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 tap. You gotta clean them off. You ready to break that one? You should probably wait. I think it's clean. Just leave it. Just clean it up. Coloring on here with this metal wheel. Yeah. It's coloring on it, you know? We got one of our best guys on the car right here.
Waiting for help. Break it.
Like, yeah, don't break it.
Fuck it, I'll slam it down.
That one seriously just slid out.
Yeah, because that one was broken. This one isn't broken the whole way. It should. That one should pop through. Maybe.
This one's harder
than Chinese algebra. Oh boy.
Boom! Oh man, that's gonna be nice sped up because.
Oh my god, it smells like gas.
Because there's a fuel filter right there. I'm working on my car.
Yeah.
I'm working on my car. I got my screwdriver here. Hold on, let me get some of this.
Put all that back so we can video it.
There we go. Let me get. Hold on, put it back. Hold up, right here. Let's get this plug up here. Yeah, get that in there. Let's get some of this. There we go. I got a chunk off.
You're just playing, man.
There we go. Get
You're
that
not
chunk.
even doing anything.
Get that chunker off. Look, I got that chunk off there. You see it? Get the chunkers. Scrape it out. Chunkers, man. Get the chunkers out of there.
I was just gonna do the other side while he's sticking around with that.
There we go. Get it out. Get it out. Getting all the chunky.
Shit, you know?
This is how the pros do it. Just get a little screwdriver and scrape it. There we go. That's good.
Oh my god.
Fucking shit.
On my head.
Here we got this needle scaled and wire weld. We got the fuel line pinched off from where you take it off. The fuel filter and fuel pump. There we go. Clean some chunkers off. Not too bad. A little Swiss cheese there. One of the force areas under it. Alright folks, this is what Baker come up with here. Fuel stuff, get it fixed up. Oh yeah.
Finish getting it cleaned up here and get a clean surface.
So there is pinholes in there, huh?
Yep, here and right here.
Ah, so okay, let's clean that all up.
Yep. We use the gas tank repair and mix up the epoxy and put it around there with a little bit of fiberglass mesh, and
Nice, looks great.
Pray for the best. At least the end where the rubber was is still good. And we'll put a clean hose on it to over to the filter and call it a day.
We got our licks my face. Got some pinholes though. I'm gonna try mine.
I'll hit him with a little piece of sandpaper now. And
Got this all done up in here. Little sandpaper on it. Nice and clean. Broke. Oh, there it is. Watch the gas might come out.
there you go.
Look at that.
There you go.
Listen, I heard that you need all the rubber replaced on this car.
Look at that.
Ice in there.
Come on.
Pop. Pop. Boink. There we go.
Just in case.
Yeah, just in case we got some leakage.
Little left in our return line.
Little left.
Little dribble.
Get it good. A little cleaner going on. What is it?
Just a wax.
The wax in the holes.
Slides it over top. There's the two-part epoxy.
Is that actually fiberglass?
Yeah, that's actual fiberglass mat. Remove the dust and wipe clean. Did that. Cut the fiberglass into little strips so I can wrap it around the tube.
Read the directions, folks. It's all about the directions, right?
Mix repair epoxy as follows. Work quickly. It'll start to harden in 5 minutes.
There you go. Squeeze it into that. What's it? The hardener and the...
Yeah.
What's with the hardener?
Now, just a epoxy.
Epoxy, there you go.
So you got the epoxy with its hardener. It's sloppy.
Line repair going on here. Get it on there, get it on there. It's a lot different than the area I looked before. Wrapping headers.
Yep.
One down. Round two.
Shit ain't the cleanest.
Round two wrap. There you go. Hard real quick on us. What we got going on here?
Welding shit to shit. We're welding shit to shit.
Underneath, hodgepodge, pieced together, salvaging what we got. Now he's making holes.
And then you drill them out so they rebalance.
Get some light over here. It's gonna go, maybe.
This is not.
Wait, how do you know this is not factory? How do you know? How do you know it's not factory?
It's still sticky. I bet
It's
you
still
there's.
sticky.
Oh, there's some solder under there.
I don't know, man. That looks stock to me. This is weld stock, I'm telling you.
shit to Adam. They just added shit to stock this. What the fuck? Why? That is weird.
Just to add extra protection right there.
I want to know what kind of electrical thing that is.
That's definitely stock. That's stock right there.
That's a good shit. That is.
Not fucking Harbor Freight electrical thing. Look at this. That's some shit.
It was sunk in the Justy, but the Justy was
Well.
inside the Titanic. And then it came out like this. Stock. That's not Titanic.
All I use is 3M, and
Unbelievable.
there's no way in hell. That's from 1988.
Yes.
Stock, 1988. Schmutz.
You gotta give me some credit though after some of the I've seen this car.
Oh my. I tell you. I'm giving you all the credit.
Yeah, that's a little warm.
A little bit. Put a nut, what? Put a washer on the nut and a washer up top.
Just in a lock washer here. This way it doesn't back out. Shouldn't, it's in rubber. These never back out. And they're factory. The only other thing is with this mounting bracket gone, I need to make something for right here that comes up and over. Just to set that on.
Yeah.
So it has a shelf here. I was gonna put it here and it doesn't make sense. So I need to be over here. I'm just gonna shape it around all this other body molding.
That was pretty intricate. What's this made out of?
Exhaust pipe. Yep.
Exhaust pipe. Made the bracket. Show the folks on interwebs.
I'll set that right there. And bolt that guy up there.
He's talking about making a shelf or something over here.
Make a little
'Cause
L
this one's
bracket
stuck
here.
Up in the body right here.
Since this one broke off, I can no longer use this one. I'm just gonna put a little bracket here so that it holds up and I can set it up in. So that's what we're gonna do now.
Nice. There's the fuel lines right there.
Just tucked up out of the way right now. Feed and return.
And the little nipples we fixed.
Seem to be nice and solid. Clean up the hairy spots on them and
Dang, look at that area. It's like brand new.
all right.
Bended metal.
Fold for the body. And we'll see how it matches up.
Bolting back. Baker's seeing how many times we can put this in and out tonight. Mocking up. See, I did a little video, the last one before this. We got the little rubber bushings in the things.
Here, because I only want a small tab, because I want to be able to put it up in first. And then, so
Notching it
I'm going to cut it here
so it fits up in there.
and cut it here. So we'll cut it off to the length, and then I'll cut this so it fits past this little bend right here, so it fits only from here to here. And then I could push this up in tight and weld it.
Nice. Looks brand new.
We'll go with a finger's width.
We're gonna do the finger length. Put that little shelf on there. We're gonna put this up in with the little shelf.
Like this. Up over. And then we tip and slide in. And then we bolt and we bolt. And now this is hung here, so it's not free floating. Just a little wiggle room to hold it off.
Put a piece of rubber there.
And we can
Double-sided.
we can put a little piece of rubber in there. We could put it on the end of the. We could put it right here around this.
Yeah.
When we slide it up in, it'll hold it tight. That way, when you boom and slide it in, it'll stay tight.
Yeah.
And it won't want to rattle.
No rattles. Bill's over here trying to see how clean he can get this. Yeah, for the first time I pulled this stuff out and looked at it, it's a mess. It's coming together. Rust converting, spraying some paint on, do some tiger hair. I'm not going to screw with that yet. We should, but we shouldn't.
What, tiger hair?
This, screw with that.
Oh, yeah.
It works.
Until you find a new one.
Yeah. Coming along.
To the filter to the pump,
All the rubber hoses are off.
and then from the pump to the car. And then this is the return to the tank.
Sweet. So that
From
rubber
the-
will be new.
Yeah. So I gotta get this size. This right here is already right here.
Tiger hair in that too.
And I already bought the new hose clamps
There we are.
to replace all those ones.
Nice. Tiger hair in the bottom. So now we're gonna do a little coat of bondo on top of this tiger hair to make this smooth. This is the bottom of the fuel filter area. We're really getting into Bill's specialty realms here. Shines. It's a constant art class. There's this fuel area. Custom pieces made here, over here, all this. Build it all up. New bracket right here. Right here. That one's stuck in there, so we have to do this. This one spins out, yeah. We got the clamps and the new hoses on the fuel pump and the new fuel filter here. Be going on the car very soon. Coming together.